All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the garage, about ready to open her up, see what we got out here. There you can see, you got a good view of it. Snow's flying in here. This is not good. We got a lot of snow coming in right now. A lot of snow. It's not good. A small teaser. It's about negative 34 degrees out here. Wind's blowing pretty good. Oh, jeez. Here's your drifts. Well, it's not as bad as expected, but it's cold. I'm just gonna turn on the outside lights here. We're gonna take a little peek at our drift we got going on out here. Oh. Out over here. Chalk it. Chalk. Pure ice right here. Here's a little taste of snowdrift. It's such a monstrosity of a drift.